Immobiliser Fit, and today we're down at Range Rover West London protecting this brand new 2023 Range Rover Sport. On this vehicle we've gone for a Starline Pro, so if a thief got the key and done a relay attack, started the vehicle up and went to drive away, you're going to see it cut out. They're going to be unable to drive off with your vehicle. So what the customer's got to do, they can start the car, go for a unique code of their choosing from a minimum of 3 like we have here, all the way to 21 presses. They'll pop their code in, hear a tone, and now they can select their gear and the vehicle remains running. They can also pair their phone to it, or as this customer's done, go for an optional tag as well. So we'll pop the battery in. With the battery in, don't need to do anything. This can just be hanging off their keys. They'll start the car up, it will disarm straight away, and they can put it into gear and drive off. Vehicle's not going to stall out, no need to waste time putting in the code. They want to take it for a service. The way they'll do that is they'll get in the car, disarm the system. With the tag, they can press and hold till it goes solid. Keep it held till it flashes rapidly. Now let go. We get 2 bleeps in the car and we get an orange light. This is now a normal vehicle. Range Rover can drive it around their workshop. No code, no tag, no phone. Just a normal vehicle, the Immobiliser's disabled. When you get it back, you can either do it through the tag, press and hold, as we've done here. Press and hold, keep it held till it flashes rapidly, let go. We get 2 bleeps and the system's back on and we get the green light. You can also do this on the phone or you can do it with the buttons. But now the system's active, we've got our tag in our pocket, start the car up, we hear a tone and we can drive away. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. As I said, we're down at Land Rover West London protecting this brand new 23 plate Range Rover Sport before the customer takes it home. Our number's 0208 212 7393 and this system's the Starline Pro with the optional Bluetooth tag, also paired to the customer's phone, and they have a unique code to start this vehicle. Once again, our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.